Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And everybody is talking about what the market is doing right now and if we are heading toward a buyer's market or not. If this is your first time looking into the real estate markets in the last 20 years, I guess I'll start with we've been in a seller's market for a good 5 to 8 years now. And generally what defines a seller's market is the amount of inventory on the market and how long it would take to sell that inventory. And so currently a seller's market is defined as having less than 3 months of inventory on the market. So if no more homes came on the market in 3 months, there would be no more homes left to purchase. And so as of today, we are well within a seller's market. We're about a month and a half worth of supply, but that has been trending upward. We were under 1 month of a supply just 12 to 18 months ago. So we beg to ask the question, are we heading toward that buyer's market? And generally speaking, we do not believe so, right? There's plenty of buyers out there. Inventory is still low. And so that's leading to a lot of things. So I want to hit on a few things right now. And that is, why is it balancing out? Why have we seen it go from less than a month of supply to over a month and a half and continuing to trend up? And really a big part of that is home prices have elevated. They've been elevating year over year. And over the past 5 years, they've elevated quite a bit. But even more so, we've also been seeing quite a bit of high interest rates, which of course don't make people want to buy houses. And so that's causing houses simply to sit a little bit longer than what we would have seen a couple of years back. But don't get me wrong, houses are still selling much faster than what they would be selling in a neutral market or even that buyer's market. So it's still very much so a seller's market. Another thing I want to hit on here is condition. The condition of the homes that we're seeing on the markets, vary just vastly. The homes that are conditioned well, that are upkept and clean, are selling very fast, multiple offers, a lot of cash offers out there. And the homes that, aren't in the best of condition, that haven't been taken care of over the last few years, those homes that we are seeing sit. And so in all reality, if you've got a good home that you've been taking care of, I would expect your house to sell very quickly. But if your house needs a little bit of work, it's likely that it may sit for, 30 days or so. So please, you want to expect that. And if you're a buyer, you can take advantage of that if you're willing to put in a little bit of work into houses. The final question here is, what direction are we going to move from now, right? We were at a huge, crazy seller's market. It's starting to soften a little bit, but where do we see things going in the future? And honestly, we think things are going to stay right where they're at. Rates are expected to come back down here in the next year, which is going to, of course, drive more buyers into the markets. And what that typically also does is elevate the price of homes because there's more competition. We talked about inventory. I'll tell you right now, as of today, there's about 700 homes for sale here in the Lancaster County, Nebraska area. If we look back 10 years ago to 2014-ish, we were looking at almost 1,400 homes that were on the market this time during that year. So we have a considerable shortage to where we were a year or 10 years back. So definitely, if you're thinking to make a move and you're looking to buy, I would not wait for rates. Rates, you can go refinance those, change those whenever you want. But the price and the house, you can't. So take advantage of the pricing that houses are at now. Don't let those continue to inflate up so you have to spend more money on them maybe next year. So if you have questions on this, want to learn more, want to have a consultation, just simply reach out, slide into our DMs, email us, text us. We'd love to help. Thanks so much. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.